All right, let's take a look at a little tool that I created. So sometimes people might have a situation where they have a spreadsheet with a bunch of information in it, and maybe there are some particular cells that they want to remove. So in this specific instance, it's a situation where maybe you had a list and you validated emails, and these are the invalid emails. And so you want to go back through and remove all of these emails from this list so that you don't send them emails. There's not a simple way to do that. I mean, you could write an Excel formula, and that's probably the way to do it, but you could also just use this tool. And so let's check out this tool. So this is the Bookmarklet. You can copy all of this. It's quite a bit. So triple click on it. That'll select everything and then copy. And then from here, you'll then want to create a bookmarklet. If you don't know how to do that, basically you just want to have your bookmark bar enabled. So Control-Shift-B on Chromium, and this will only work on Chromium browsers. So that includes Chrome, Edge, and Brave, as well as some others. Those are the primary ones. And then you'll create a bookmark, right? So you can right-click anywhere here and create new, or in this case, I'm going to edit. And then in the URL section, just paste in the code, click save. And then you can run this right here, and it has two files. So clean this data. This would be the file that you want to remove stuff from, right? So let's download this. All right, so we downloaded sheet 1. Let's download sheet 2. Download. Now we are going to drag in that first sheet, and we'll drag in the second sheet. And when you drop in the second one, or when both of them are in there, basically, it will create this to where you can select your options. So select clear entire row if you want to remove the entire row, or clear it out anyway. So if you've identified the cell that you want to remove, right, the unique cell, or it doesn't have to be unique, it'll remove all of them, even if they're not unique, and you want to go ahead and clear out the rest of that row, that's where you would here select this, right? So clear entire row, or you can leave it empty and it will just delete the cells where it finds them. So in this case, you're wanting to select the column for which you want to target the other spreadsheet. So in this case, we're going to target the email column, right? So we're going to target this column, and it's going to go through every email here, and then it's going to look anywhere on this sheet, anywhere on this sheet. It doesn't matter what column it is. If it finds that email, it's going to delete it within the cells of this spreadsheet. Okay, so let's give that a quick run program. There we go. It's done. Let's take a look. Import, upload, and we are going to drop in our cleaned spreadsheet, specify whether or not it was comma or tab separated, insert new sheet, import data, and now we have this all cleaned up, right? Pretty cool. And then again, if you want to clear the entire row, it's the same process. You just click over to clear that whole row. So we'll try that as well. Clear entire row where email is found, run program, and import, upload. Okay, going to drop that in. Here we go, comma. I'm going to replace the current sheet. And then here you see all of the rows are cleared entirely. So I'll drop a link to the code in the video description, and yeah, you're welcome.